G'day guys, Adam Franklin here. One of the things that I want to cover off today is just what happens in one of our private coaching game plan sessions. That's what I've just come from before. Basically it's a 2-hour session and we get in, and this time it was in person in a boardroom. Very often it's done via Zoom because it doesn't really matter where in the world you are. And the other benefit of Zoom is that we can record it. But basically the first hour we spend working out where you're at now in terms of like a traffic light system, red, yellow or green, across the different pillars of our methodology. And then what we do is look to identify the low-hanging fruit so that we can move the needle the most in the shortest amount of time with the assets and resources that we've got already. And so by the end of that, we finish the session with complete clarity of the goals and also the 3 key projects that we need to undertake to achieve the goals. So that's in a nutshell what we do in our game plan sessions. Behind the scenes with Tobes and me just getting in an Uber now. So we'll catch you later. Bye.